Hi everyone, my name is Karine. I'm from Sonatus, leading business development for Europe and India.
I'm Alexandre, and I'm working for OPmobility. I'm the Director of Innovation and Software at OPmobility. SDV is one of the biggest transformations of the automotive industry, for sure. But what for? In fact, are you sure that we are taking the most advantage that we can to our customer? We think that user experience is at stake with a software-defined vehicle, and Karine and I will demonstrate to you what it is about.
So Sonatus contributes to improving user experience and safety on the road by providing software for software-defined vehicle. So we work with OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers to accelerate the shift to SDV. We are an American company with a global footprint. We have been in production with Hyundai Group, Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis since 2020. And we keep deploying at scales with millions more of vehicles this year on the road.
OPmobility has a clear purpose, driving a new generation of mobility. So we are a renowned Tier 1, which is delivering fuel tanks, battery, lighting, exterior parts, as you can see on the booth. But we have created a small company called OpenSoft. And it's why for once I will be a start-upper, because we consider that OpenSoft is some kind of startup embedded in this renowned automotive Tier 1. So we like to be number one because we want to have an impact on the world thanks to automotive. And in fact, there is a lot of opportunities. Today, with Karine, we will focus on safety.
So why safety? And by the way, that's the demo that we are showcasing today. So if you look at the statistics, they are pretty alarming. The World Health Organization is predicting that the numbers of deaths on the road will increase by 10 times by 2030. And on the other hand, the objective for Europe is to reduce the number of fatal injuries by 2 by 2030 as well. So if we don't join our forces, I mean, if the automotive stakeholders don't join forces to propose new solutions to improve and increase safety on the road, we will not manage to reduce this number. So that's why we are partnering today with OPmobility.
At OPmobility, we are delivering products and solutions that are impacting the safety. We are, for example, developing a 4D imaging radar, which is using the full space of our bumper to increase the accuracy. We develop also solutions based on lighting, because lighting with ADB, with signal lighting, with projections, can also bring new topics and new solutions to increase the safety for the passenger. What we want to talk about today with Karine is, in fact, how we can accompany a user, a passenger, in the full journey on the road, thanks to our advanced technologies that are combined in OPmobility and Sonatus.
So the solution we are presenting today is software-defined lighting. So concretely, what does it mean? We want to provide OEMs with a lighting solution and tailgate solution, tailgate screens that will be dynamically configured depending on the events that are happening on the road. So if I take an example, when you drive your car and there are pedestrian crossing in front of you, sometimes you brake, sometimes you just slow down, but still you want to inform the car behind that there is an event happening before. So for that, and that's what we're showcasing today, we are using Sonatus Collector to collect the data from the ADAS sensors, and then we process this data, and then we create messages that are shown at the back of the car on the tailgate provided by OPmobility. Another example is a construction zone. So same thing, we identify the event and showcase the symbol of construction at the back of the car. You can imagine plenty of use cases, but that's how we want to contribute to increasing safety. So on top of Collector from our product portfolio, we use Automator. Automator is a software that enables creating automated function in the vehicle, like automated messages that will be correlated to the environment of the vehicle. So that, combined with the innovation and technologies of OPmobility in lighting and tailgating, bring new safety solutions to the road. And again, I invite you to come and see the demo today.
Thanks.
Thank you.